Alright, let's see what's under this volcanic rock. Oh, there we go. We got, oh, 1 second. Oh, hello there. Hi, Daddy Longlegs. Didn't mean to surprise you, but oh. There's the little millipede again. Oh, and hiding. Okay. Oh, let's see, there you go. There's the, he's the, oh. Gone. Whoopsies. It happens. Oh, wow. Let's look into over here. We have this little centipede again. There we go. Let's get a good... Come on. Let's focus. There we go. Yeah, millipede. So they are detritivores. I really like those ones because look at those colors. So back home, we have the ones that are golden, but those ones are a bit more white. And I like that red that you see. Oh, you're over here. That's very cool. I'm a bit overwhelmed. Oh, let's see here. There's a little slug moving. Come on. Let's see here. Come on, where's the slug? Oh, not moving anymore. Oh, okay. But yeah, I'll turn it off.